Now, once again, warm welcome to today's opportunity call of Xfusion. Within this call, you will get information firsthand about our project. This call, of course, can't answer every question that you may have afterwards. This will go too deep and will take too long. Please do one thing. When there is something you don't understand properly, go back to the person who invited you to this call, clarify all these open points for you, and based on that, make a decision. So first of all, before we start, a short disclaimer. We speak about the Forex market here. And first of all, this is not a financial advisory. All the numbers I show here are based on past performances, and there's no guarantee for any future results. And like I said already, the Forex market, it comes with a lot of opportunities, but also this market is risky. We need to be aware of that. Please just put this money inside if you decide to go for it, which you can afford to lose. Who is Xfusion? Xfusion is not a company. We are a community. We had a vision 12 weeks ago, and this vision was not to build something new. No, the vision was to get a platform where we offer our community many opportunities from the existing market, nothing that needs to be created, nothing that may be in the future. Just a second, don't decline. Nothing that will be in the future there where we will need to build use cases. No, we want to have for each and everyone in our community from the first day on a growth of their money. And how we do this, like I said, we bundle various strategies. We test everything up front with our own money, and only trustworthy providers are integrated here. Mostly, and this is what we speak about here in this presentation, at the moment, the last 12 weeks, we do it with copy trading providers. We as Exfusion, like I said already in the disclaimer, we're not a financial provider. So we have no access to any of your money. You don't give your money away to a third party. Very soon, and very soon means within the next 10 days, we will offer also signal services. We have a very good educational program in the back, and the offer will be extended also in the next 2 months with a crypto exchange and a very good payment solution. And to enter the Forex market, we need a gateway. And this gateway is a broker, and there are many brokerages outside. We chose to go with Tagmarkets, and there's various reasons for it. First of all, let me give you a little bit of words to Tagmarkets, a little bit of information. Tagmarkets was funded 2.5 years ago. It's an offshore brokerage, fully licensed and regulated on Mauritius. With this license, they're allowed to run their business legally worldwide. And one of the main reasons why we chose to go with Tagmarkets is that when you compare them to other brokers, or especially offshore brokers, they show faces. They have 2 physical offices. One is in Medellin, Colombia, and the other one is here in Dubai, where I'm located. And both of the founding partners are there every single day. It is kind of a pity or a mess that you need to mention this nowadays, but unfortunately, that's the case. So all the others, they have CEOs or founders. They're so famous that they need to keep them in the back. We would love to know the people in person. We would like to know what is their intention. Why are they doing this business? But the most important thing is that Tagmarkets gives us a solution, a tool, which in the end helps the masses to have the opportunity of a stable growth of their money. Because the Forex market has 2 major issues. First of all, I said already, the biggest existing financial market on this planet, $7 trillion daily trading volume. A market with a lot of opportunities. But unfortunately, in this market, there is no money created, it's just shifted. So when there is someone winning, there needs to be someone losing on the other end. And mostly the big guys in this industry, they win. The big banks, the investment funds, the family offices, whoever. Why? They have the biggest amount of capital, they have the best tools, they have the best manpower. And there is the major issue mentioned, the lack of capital that most of us, the masses, have. Due to that, most of us search or seek for traders with very high profits, because when I don't have that big amount of cash, what do I need to do? I need to find a way, or think I need to find a way. How can I solve this very fast? But when I go with high profits, I need to take the risk higher. And this means when it goes the other way around, and this is the next issue, 95% of all retail traders sooner or later liquidate the accounts. So we are part of this problem in the end. We, the masses, would love to have good profits. We leverage the risk, and then in the end, we are disappointed when this ends up in losing the money. The big guys with the big money, they don't need that high profits, because when you have a certain amount of money and can choose a trading strategy with the proper risk management, you have the opportunity of a long-term and steady growth. And this Tagmarket can solve. Tagmarket solved this already for over 620,000 users. They have over 300 employees. And why did they grow so fast in these last 2.5 years? Because they offer something called a capital boost. And this I would love to show you. So we make an example. When you, for example, put $1,000 inside your own money, this is your deposit, and it is a real deposit. Means this money is not accessible by anyone else than you. It's a security deposit you place on the brokerage account of Tagmarkets. So, and now we assume that we have a trading strategy with a proper risk management, which based on past results has an average 2% monthly. This would mean $20. Most of the people say here already, thank you very much, that's not mine. $20, not enough. Guys, financial mindset. This is the first, I'm sorry for saying that really all open. It's the first mistake. Because when you don't appreciate these $20, and it's $20 more than you had before, you will never come to the bigger profits. But we find a solution for that. So the capital boost 24x means now that Tagmarkets are not by themselves, by so-called liquidity providers they partner up with, and liquidity providers are big banks, so-called tier 1 banks. They leverage not the risk, they leverage the capital. $1,000 in this case, X24 means $24,000 trading volume. And now you choose the same trading strategy with the proper risk management, 2% on average monthly, would mean $480 profit. And now it's getting interesting. So what did we do here? We're not leveraging, as usual, the risk. We're leveraging the capital. And now we can find solutions, trading solutions, which can open us long-term steady growth. And on Tagmarkets, on their trading platform, copy trading platform, CopyX, they offer over 70 of them. What means copy trading? In the end, no one of us needs to have any knowledge in trading, needs to have no experience in trading, or like me, I'm too emotional to trade. Because as a trader, you need to be kind of cold-blooded. Copy trading means you just connect to a copy trader you choose up front. Like I said, over 70 different you can have, and let the experts do the job. And you decide on your own. If you take one, if you take two more, you can decide completely freely which one you chose. We, as Xfusion, just recommend two of them highly. Why? Because these two strategies, NeoFX and Sonic, are the ones we checked up front. We monitored them for a very long time already, and we tested them with our own money. And there we know that they have a proper risk management. And what does it mean? I would love to show you on the example of NeoFX. NeoFX, the trading team behind, they just solely focus on one single pair, and this is Euro-US dollar. We know that the Forex market offers a lot of opportunities, commodities, indices, any kind of currency. You can trade whatever you want. And the market is not always the same. Sometimes, like for example, right now, silver, amazing. But a good trader focus on what they're experienced in. And in this case, it's Euro-US dollar. And they just do one trade per day. This is proper day trading. This means every single trade, which is open on a certain day, Monday to Friday, because we need open exchanges, is closed on the same day. There's no risk of overnight price differences or something that you wake up in the morning and maybe the account is terminated. This is not going. Every trade is open and closed within the same day. And the risk per trade is maximized of 0.3% of the whole capital. Let's go backwards to this example. $1,000 you would put inside as a deposit. You can start actually at the amount of $10. $1,000 you would put inside. This means $3. would be at risk. And how do they do this? Very easy. By entering and opening the trade. This is a flexible way. So they have a look at the market every single day, and mostly they use the opening hours of the New York Stock Exchange. Why? Because of all these pre-orders there, the market is the most volatile. There, when they enter the market directly with opening the trade, they define 2 points, the take profit and the stop loss. What does it mean? So when it goes in the right direction, even if it maybe looks that it can be more in profits, upfront, they define this point, we close the trade. Take this plus what we have, and the next day we start over new. Much more important is it when it goes the other way around. When the trade goes into a minus, and this is the point where I mentioned that most of the traders start to terminate accounts, lose the whole amount. Why? Because there comes the part when a trader starts to get emotional. They try to rescue something. And by trying to rescue something, you leave the path of being logical, of being cold-blooded. You better take a loss with a so-called stop loss. But the important thing is to minimize the loss, to avoid big losses. Sometimes it's better to take a small loss, close the trade, and start over the next day. And this is what they do. With this clear and calm, structured way of trading, they cannot guarantee, but they can provide our community a steady growth of their money. And I mentioned already that this deposit that you do, in this case, $1,000, or you start with $10, is completely up to you. It's really your deposit. This money after 30 days, and this is, you see how legit this is. After 30 days, if you like, take it out. It's yours. Of course, if you didn't do reinvest in the next strategy, then this account will be closed because no one gifts you money. It's very important to understand, but it's still your money. The profits that you do Monday to Friday, they're instantly withdrawable. They are yours. You can withdraw them. You can reinvest them, means compound them or whatever, but not 100% of these profits. In this case, it's 70%. Why is that? There's a thing called profit share inside, and it's also important to understand. Every good trader or broker, none of them is charging you anything upfront. They don't deduct anything from your deposit. They don't take a monthly fee or something else. They say, listen, we offer our services, and in case we are able to provide you profits, mean you have more than you had before, X percentage of that we deduct as our income, as the so-called profit share. In our case, it's 70-30. So it means 70% of the profits you make is yours, instantly withdrawable, and 30% is allocated in 3 different other pools. First of all, 18% goes into an affiliate pool. This I show you later in this presentation. 8% is the income of the trading team. So by this, we force them also to do a good job, because based on that, they have the income. And 4% we keep inside our community as Xfusion, as a marketing budget to support our community. And everything is completely transparent. And that's very important, transparency nowadays. There is nothing hidden in the back. You get directly by signing up on Tagmarkets, funding your account, and connecting to the copy trading strategy, you get your login credentials to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, there you see your daily trading activity. Every single trade daily you see there. When you would love to dig a bit deeper and say, listen, I understand the way of trading. I know how this works. I would love to have more information. Absolutely no issue. There is a MyFX book link for NeoFX going back till March last year, so means almost 11 months already, where we have a track record. There you see every single trade, what happened in the history. You see the win-loss ratio. You see the average performance they made. Everything you would love to see is inside there, and you can study this if you like. And I told you already, we check everything up front. We checked NeoFX way before we implemented this here into Tagmarkets. But with the start of Tagmarkets, of our partnership with Tagmarkets, we started an own trading account where we put by ourselves $100,000 inside. Based on this capital boost, 24x, this trading volume is 2.4 million. We started on the 1st of November, and we have here till the 11th of December, where I would love to show you on this period. It's not closed yet, the account, but just the slide was made there on this day. Within this period, the trading team made 28 trades. 25 of them went positive and only 3 ended up with a losing day. And this results in a win ratio of 91%. This is very good. But much, much more important here is not only 91% win ratio, that the losses that are inside there, and once again, there is no trader on this planet who only have positive days. But you see here that the losses are so small that they don't really affect the account. And that's the most important thing. Find a trading team who actively work on their risk management. This together is the secret recipe. Leveraging the capital with the big, strong, and legit brokerage inside, and having the opportunity of very good risk management within the trading strategy, and this can add up in a steady and stable growth of the money. And Sonic is another strategy. I don't want to go deep inside there. They are similar to NeoFX. They use a slightly different strategy, but also with a very, very good risk management. And for those of you who say, listen, it's nice, copy trading, absolutely amazing, but I'm completely dependent on the trading team. That's right, absolutely. You can't interrupt, you can't overrule them. You just need to follow what they are doing. For those of you who maybe say, hey, I have more experience, I want to take more responsibility, or simply I have time on a day, because most of the people say, I don't have time to trade myself because I have a job or something else what I need to do. For those of you who have that time and would love to do more, within the next 10 days, as I said, we offer something, our own Xfusion signals channel. So means in this channel, and also very long tested already, very professional, these guys in the back, they have a hit rate of 95%. What do they give you? They give you these alerts. They tell you exactly when to enter, where's the stop loss, where's the take profit. They give you market updates daily, and also they show faces in this Telegram group. The only thing here is you have more flexibility. You choose by yourself if you would love to follow them, if you directly choose their entry points, if you choose their stop losses or take profits, and how risky you want to enter into the market, because you here have the opportunity to choose the lot sizes by yourself. So please be aware, once again, little disclaimer, you can do whatever you like, but increasing the risk means, yes, the opportunity of more profits, but also on the other hand, if it goes in the wrong direction, higher losses. This is completely up to you. So starting with CopyX is also very easy. And that's also important. Nowadays, a business or something where I can earn passively money needs to be easy, understandable, easy doable, and easy duplicatable. Here it's very easy. You ask for the registration link, you register on Tagmarkets, you activate your account, make a deposit till the 18th of February. We have a promotion ongoing with 24x, like I mentioned in this example. From the 19th of February, we will have 12x. Still absolutely amazing, but if you decide to do something, of course, take the double amount, is even more of value. And then from there on, you start to earn your daily profits. Education, it's for free. And I know many people say, yeah, okay, can we skip this slide? No, for me, it's crucial. Understanding how the market works, developing a financial mindset to really be aware what's going on in the market, and also later to use maybe signals. For this, it's crucial to understand how it works. And you can learn trading from the scratch. You can learn it in live sessions and recorded sessions. Everything is for free, and you can choose in your own speed and what you would like to learn. Like I said, it starts from the scratch. What is a broker? What is a lot? How does this work with this risk? Going to expert level. Why is it important? In my opinion, because with that, trading becomes more predictable. You're more disciplined because you do it more logical. And with these clear instructions you get there and strong signals that we will provide, you just can achieve better results, because in the end, then you know how to use them correctly, how to really understand the market. And it's getting even better. Right now, we just spoke about the Forex market. And guys, what I said in the beginning, for me, this business is extraordinary. Why? Because we speak about real profits coming from the real market. but it's getting even better. We will have very soon, one thing starts, and this is the crypto exchange, the 1st of February with the pre-launch, and in the middle of February, it will go completely live, and the other, a debit card, will start in March. We have one business with 3 incomes, and we can offer our community a solution for everything. Everything runs through the same referral link. Just not to go too deep inside now, just to give you some highlights. There will be on the 1st of March, the own debit card, Bix.fi. This will be a Visa debit card, but actually it's much, much more than just a debit card. It is a decentralized crypto wallet. And as soon as you have on this decentralized crypto wallet, $9.99, you can directly apply for a virtual card. This virtual card, you can link to Apple Pay and Google Pay and can pay with it without any limitation, 0. The only limit here is $50,000 per single swipe. For you guys in the US who are watching now, you have no limitation. You can spend 1 million per single swipe if you like. There is, when you want to go physical, so means when you also would love to deduct money from the ATM to get cash, you have a plastic card, starts at $100, a metal card, $250, and the gold card, $25,000. And this is actually, this gold card, a very good investment. Why? Because the card itself, alone the gold, is worth right now $18,000. But all cards have identical functions, so there is no difference. And like I said, it's a Visa card. In some regions, it's a MasterCard, depends on regulations, but here is a Visa reward program behind. It's like you may know from American Express Platinum. Why do people love the American Express card? Because of the miles. You can do here the same. For $9.99 monthly, it's not mandatory, it's optional. If you pay that $9.99 monthly, you can earn miles. These miles are redeemable on every single airline that you choose. You have a concierge service, you have launch access at the airports, and you have a car rental insurance. Very soon after launching the card, there will be also a banking on and off ramp function. Means there will be included SEPA/IBAN and SWIFT. You can do transfers with that. And most important for our community, it's getting very comfortable. Why? There is a direct money movement. You don't need any other wallet anymore. First of all, you don't need to exchange anymore from crypto to any currency you like. If you want to, you can. But this card has a function that you directly pay. Either you run your errands with it, grocery shopping, pay your gasoline, whatever you like, without even exchanging to fiat currency. You can do it from the crypto wallets you have there, from these crypto assets you have on your wallet. Is it Solana? Is it Ethereum? Is it whatever? Bitcoin, you can use them. There is a direct calculator inside, and it can take it from there. But for our community, even better, we have 2 ways where you get money. First of all, your daily profits are coming from the Tagmarkets Tag wallet. And if you build a business on it, if you earn commission, it's coming from our IB portal. Both are instantly with 1 click on this card. No waiting, no delays, no nothing. Instantly on your card, and you can use and go shopping with them. There's something which we will explain later. Every time on this card, when fees are occurring, when you buy something, when you top up the card, when you use the reward program, when you just get the card, every time when fees are occurring on this card, 60% of these fees are going back into the community. Means the company rewards us with the majority of the fees. We get them back into the community and can build also a business on that. So the next thing is the crypto exchange bit1.com. By the way, for those of you who already use crypto exchanges, who are more experienced in cryptos, the first crypto exchange where you can buy with cryptos, ETFs and stocks. The first on this planet. It hasn't been there. Using the same technology as OKX and Bybit, so the best existing at the moment. And also here, this crypto exchange will be on the 20th of February, completely functional, up and running. We don't need to build anything. We don't need to buy any coins, tokens or something and hope and pray that something will work out. No, it's running. You just give a referral out, and the people just do what they ever do on any other crypto exchange. They buy, sell, swap, stake, whatever they do their cryptos, every time when there's a fee occurring, and also when they trade there. For example, they do future trading. We will also offer copy trading solutions here on this crypto exchange. I don't want to go too deeply inside right now, but also here, every time when there is a gas fee, 60% of these gas fees is going back to the community and you can earn. But most important, it's not what we can earn on that. Most important is that we give our community just several tools which makes it more convenient for them, where they have benefits. And this is the most important part. The focus here is not on what we earn. The focus here is how we can give benefits to our community to make it more convenient for them and in the end, more profitable for them. And it's when we can achieve that, then we have this long-term growth in our community. And this is what we see. We're on the absolutely right path. I don't want to go deep inside here, but just on this crypto exchange, for those of you who know how this works in trading there, here's not a deposit important. Here is important the transactional volume. And this transactional volume can be very huge. More to that, more details to that, I would love to present you later on, not in this call. When we're coming to launch it, you will be absolutely amazed. Like I said already, there is a back office. You see everything. When you want to build a business on, you see everything in the IB portal in this back office. You can do flexible deposits and withdrawals, and you get also your commissions there. And this is the last part I would love to introduce to you, the commissions based on the copy trading in CopyX. We have 4 different income streams. The first income stream is the so-called lot commissions. And a lot commission is a standard trading size. A lot is a standard trading size. So means it's a unit in trading. The more lots you have, the higher is the risk. But lots are also responsible for the fees, because in every single trade, there's a fee. And this is, by the way, also the reason where maybe some of you is asking yourself, why do someone gives us money? No one gives you money. This capital boost of 24 or 12x is no gift. It is just provided by liquidity providers. They bring their money in the market. The more trading volume, the higher the fees, the more they earn on that. We just use that. We just take the benefit for our community out of that, because leveraging capital is nothing unusual. This is something common, but no, not for the masses. It's common for the big guys, big players in this industry. We just use that. So, and these lot commissions are normally just divided by liquidity providers, traders, and brokers. Here, Tagmarkets gives us $10.50 of this back for our community. And the good thing is, this is a residual income. As long as your community is having the benefits from trading, as long as they use trading, and they just use it when they have what? In the end, more income at the end of the month than they had before. As long as this is the case, you earn residual wise, first of all, on these lot commissions. And here it's not important if the trading there is positive or negative, because the fees are anyway deducted. We just have these fees divided in 10 different levels. You start in your first referral level, $2 per lot, and going down to level 10, $50 per lot. So it means, no, once again, as long as your community is having the benefit from trading, you earn on this lot commission over and over again. The payout of that is once a week. You see them every single Monday to Friday adding up in your back office, and every Monday the payout will come. From whom do you take it? Not from your community, not from your people. This is what the company normally earns, and a part of that they give back into the community to grow. And the second is the profit share. And as the word already said, profit share, this can only be paid on a positive trading day. Remember back, we had this split. 70% of the profits stays with the person who owns the brokerage account. So for example, me, Michael, I have a brokerage account where I make today $100 profit, $70 stays with me, and $30 is allocated in 3 different other pools. From this 30 remaining percent, 18 of that goes in this compensation plan, in this profit share. And we divide this firstly into 5 different levels. 5 different levels deep, we pay this profit share. Starting level 1, 4%, level 2, 3%, level 3, 2%, and level 4 and 5, 1%. So what does it mean? based on the volume in your direct referral line, you earn on the profits monthly, what's gaining out of that? 4%. Once again, you don't take this away from your community itself. There's not a single penny deducted from your community. Why? Because the profit share is anyway there with every other broker as well. It's just that now Tagmarkets gives us something back. As long as your community, and in this case here, it is 4% in your first line, has the benefit from trading, you earn every single month. And also this is paid out weekly. In this example here, it's monthly, 4% of that. When it happens in your second line, you have 3%, and so on and so forth. But this is cut off at 5 levels deep. And I know that alone here in this call are a lot of people who already built much, much bigger teams, which went below these 5 levels. We took notice of that and we implemented something called infinity bonus. And this infinity bonus is extra percentages which can be unlocked under circumstances, certain circumstances. The first is you reach $100,000 in deposits in your whole team. Here is a 50% rule, means maximum 50% of this $100,000, in this case $50,000, can come from the strongest leg. Once reached, 1% is unlocked. It's accumulated. And then it goes 300,000, 1 million, 5 million, 20 million. Every time you hit one of these milestones, everything 50% rule, you unlock one more percentage infinity bonus. When you have the 20 million, you have the highest infinity bonus of 5%. So what does happen with this infinity bonus? The infinity bonus you reached, and let's do an example now. We say you have 1 million in deposits, means 3% infinity bonus. This 3% is just added to your basic percentage. So means in level 1, you have instead of 4% now, 7% profit share. In level 2, 6% profit share. In level 3, 5%. And in level 4 and 5, 4%. And now, everything from level 6, infinitely deep, 3%. This makes sure that you don't miss out any single profit from your community. Residual, you get every time your community is getting profits, you earn these percentages. The infinity bonus takes care of you that even if it happens 100 levels or below deep, you earn residual on the profits of your community. And this is the clue behind it. When do you earn money? When your people earn money. Once again, understand, and this makes me, after 25 years in this industry, the first time since actually ages, very, very happy that I'm not earning money based on something that someone paid in, and hope that this person does something, and hope also for this person that this vision works out, because only then they earn. No, here I give someone an information. This person decides to do something and see, okay, there is a benefit. Every single month I have more. And by them having more, by them having a benefit due to my information, I earn residual-wise. This is actually really a win-win situation. And the last income stream is we have 2 more pools. And these pools are global pools. Global pools means that here you have the opportunity not to earn from your only own community. No, here you earn from what? From the whole Xfusion community's profits. We are close to reaching $15 million in deposits already after 12 weeks and still increasing. So from this profits made out of that, when you reach 300,000, this is monthly pools. So it means every single month we make a cut and you can qualify new for them. When you reach, for example, this month, $300,000 in deposits in your team, 50% rule, you be in this pool and you share with all the people in this pool 1% plus $1 lot commission of the whole Xfusion community's profits. If you reach $1 million, you are in the second pool, where is another percentage plus another $1.50 lot commission. And this pool actually has no limit. What does that mean? We have very big guys here also in this call who already made much more volume also monthly. So for example, you make 2 million in a month, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, no matter how much. Every time you hit this 1 million and is equal to it, you will get one more share. So means, for example, you have 3 million this month in deposits fresh in your team. You have 3 shares in this pool number 2, unlimited, and you earn 3 times on the whole profits of the whole Xfusion community. And this is actually a nice side income what you can build there. And when you do extraordinary work and you have extraordinary results, you get also extraordinary prices. Tagmarkets has incentives. You see here 3 of them. There's 2 luxury watches. For the first in 2 consecutive months, you need 500K in deposits with the 50% rule in your whole team. So it means 500K, 2 months in a row. When you have the double amount, means 1 million and 1 million 2 months in a row, you will get the next luxury watch worth $25,000. And if you have $3 million 6 consecutive months in a row, you get a new family home worth up to 1.2 million US dollars. And for each and every one of you who love, like we love, this community idea, is community driven, and love to meet with other people and get this energy, we have an incentive ongoing, and this qualification period is still till the 15th of February. So means around 3 weeks from now on. Within this time, when you reach $150,000 in turnover, means in new deposits in your whole community, we invite you to Bali. Means flight and hotel is fully covered. This will take place in the last week of March. We will invite each and everyone who achieved that to Bali to celebrate with us the office opening of Xfusion on Bali. It will be a couple of days, 5 days, where you will also be the founder of Tagmarkets. You will meet the founding team of Exfusion. You will meet other leaders from other countries, other continents, and just sharing this opportunity is nice. I'm happy for each and every one of you who achieved that, and we can welcome you to Bali. And this is something where we didn't make that much promotion, but it's very, very important. You heard about the crypto exchange, right? This crypto exchange goes live on a special day, and this special day is the 20th of February. When you would love to be the first one or one of the first ones who want to be there and get all this information regarding this firsthand on the day when it goes live, please join the Beyond conference of Tagmarkets, where also Xfusion is a big part in Dubai. The tickets are available in your back office, in the IB portal, under events. It costs you $50. This day is fully packed with all these informations. You will meet the who is who of the network marketing really community, because very, very big guys of this industry will join there. You will meet the founding team of Tagmarkets, of Bid1. You will get all necessary information to run this very big for just $50. If you are in Dubai, if you're planning to come to Dubai, or if you say this is worth to come to Dubai, please be very fast. Tickets are limited. We have only 250 of them. Go to the back office, go to your IB portal, and get your ticket now. This brings me to the end of this presentation. I say thank you very much for listening. I know there was a lot of information in a short period of time, but I hope one or the other gem is stuck in your head and you say, listen, this sounds not only interesting, this feels interesting. And by feeling interesting, yes, there is someone who can do this even much better. Is asking, am I allowed? No, you're not allowed. You're very warm welcome to say something. One of the co-founders of Exfusion, Jelko, is here in this call, and I would love to give the honor to him to have the last words of this call. Jelko, please to you, and help me to close this here. I say thank you very much, guys. Take care. Jelko, please, the stage is yours. To your co-host, wait a sec.
Okay, now it works.
Okay, perfect.
Michael, thank you so much, Michael, for the presentation from the heart. I could feel it very, very well. I love this way when you do it like this, okay? So welcome everybody to this today's presentation. I think like it was really amazing. So all these hearts for you, Michael, huh? You see a lot of hearts, huh?
And guys, I want to give your hearts back. We had 280 people. Thank you. This is
amazing,
my heart going to you.
So it means you did a good job, huh?
Maybe, but Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Really amazing.
Oh, they
Absolutely.
are not stopping. So much love. Don't fall in love.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. I want just say one thing about the event, okay? About the event on the 20th of February, the Beyond Conference. If you can come, I think it will change your life because we have after that, exactly one day after that, one very nice special, okay? It's not announced, nothing right now. Nobody knows about that, okay? So you are the first people who knows about this information now. So even Michael knows it, and Shakwa don't know it, Alicia don't know it, Goshia don't know it, Shahid don't know it, Mr. Dao don't know it, and many of you don't know it. Okay, but I'm gonna share it now with you. Are you ready? You want that I share it? Yes. Okay. So I want to share something very special. On the 20th of February, we have this conference, right? Whole day, whole day. What you can expect on the conference and what's the agenda? First of all, we're gonna not only present, we're gonna demonstrate the new technology of the crypto exchange Bit1, okay? Demonstrating. So it's launching, going live, going live. First thing. Second thing, tomorrow I can announce the name, okay? But the biggest trading strategy provider in the whole planet Earth, okay, is gonna work, and this is really amazing news, is gonna work exclusively for the Bit1 exchange. Again, the biggest trading strategy provider, okay, billions dollars going through this trading strategy. Maybe sometimes you hear about that, but you're using it, but you don't know that you're using it, okay? Because it's behind the scenes always. So the biggest trading provider in the whole planet Earth, okay, is gonna be launched with the Bit1 exchange together. So you have copy trading right now on the platform Tagmarkets, right? You can have copy trading in the best quality with combined with the crypto exchange, and this will be announced 20 February 2026. So I think it's very important to be there, okay, to see this launching live. So this is one thing. Second thing, no, that was the second thing. The third thing is the presentation of Bix.fi. Bix.fi, you remember, what is it? The debit card, the payment. So you remember you have one referral link, one Xfusion referral link, and you build free businesses. Free businesses. Tagmarkets with the copy trading. Second thing, the crypto exchange. And third thing, the debit card. Because one day people are gonna spend money, right? And they spend the money anyway. To be honest, they're gonna do it anyway, even with another provider, maybe. They top up some USDT and they're gonna go shopping. In this way, you're gonna earn in the same compensation plan, in the same structure, in the same tree. All your people copy paste it, okay? Boom, you're gonna earn again money. So we built here one referral link, free businesses. And this, I don't know, maybe some of you guys still don't understand this, but this is so powerful. I'm 10 years in this industry. Mr. Shakwat is since 1999 in this industry, and we was never seeing our opportunity like this. Believe me, it's more than amazing. And many of you will just understand and feel once you've been here in Dubai, once you've been in the conference. That's why it's very important to take the tickets. So next thing, and this is the last thing about the conference, we're going to have the rewards. You saw the Rolexes, right? The silver one, the gold one. You saw the house, right? We're going to gift to the people live on stage the watches, the silver watch, and the golden watch. So be there, support your people, support your team. And last but not least, unfortunately, on Saturday, right? I think on Saturday, they will close the sales for the event. So if you still do not have any ticket, until Saturday is the last chance, then it's closing because the organization team, the event management team, and so on, and the venue team needs to close everything to know, okay, this is the amount of food we need, this is the amount of space, and so on and so forth. So Saturday is the last day, upcoming Saturday. Somebody can write maybe the date of that into the chat. Be there and bring your teams over there. I think, one of the most important days. And now, last thing, after that day, and nobody knows about that, right? So after that day, there will be an exclusive and very close meeting only for Xfusion community. So how many people? 100, right?
Yep.
100
Yep.
people only. And the next day, being invited to another exclusive Xfusion meeting day with a special guest. And you're going to be taught and trained how to build your organization on a new level, on a new dimension, on a new another level. And I'm sure many of you need this. Many of you want this, and many of you will have after this a boom in your organization. So everybody who wants a boom in your organization, let's manifest it together, right? So mass consciousness manifestation. If you want to have a boom, send now the hearts to manifest the big boom in your organization. So let's go. Send all the hearts outside there, because love is the one of the most powerful. If you talk out of love, okay, there is nothing stronger than love. And you see, we don't build this business out of greed, out of anger, out of let's make fast money. No, we build it with power, we build it with love, we build it with passion, okay? And this is more stronger than any other energy out there, because what you get out is what you get back, right? You don't want to build karma. You don't want to build big karma, right? You want to build harmonious life. So let's keep it harmonious. Let's keep the hearts coming. Let's keep it harmonious. And that's why I'm inviting you guys to attend the Beyond conference. Book your tickets before Saturday, then it's off, and we see us as well one day later with a special guest. You maybe know him already. He's very famous outside there, okay? But we're gonna surprise you with a lot of things. So thank you for your attention. Michael, one more time, thank you for the great presentation. When is the next presentation?
Actually, on Thursday, because we decided now to also from our end accelerate a little bit, and especially here in the English-speaking community, I know it's much needed. So Thursday will be the next call. It will be actually a little bit later because we see a little bit with the timings. Now it was 8 p.m. Dubai time. This will be 11 p.m. Dubai time, and then in your time zones. So Thursday, next call, start to invite already. We will put the invitation, the flyer also later already in our groups. Guys, thank you very much for what we did together already, but this is warm-up. So there will be so much more coming in 2026. This is what Jalko said. We will send out such an enormous positive energy, such a good feeling from the heart. Exactly this will receive back. This is unstoppable. We have the right people here. Guys, thank you. And let's move on like that. Let's spread the word. Let's give many people the opportunity to join this. I say thank you. Take care.
I have one more thing. Sorry. I want to record something for the founder of Tagmarkets, okay? I want to record.
Yes.
Can we send for him a lot of hearts for him? And let's say goodbye and see you in Dubai, okay? Yes. Oh my
Nick,
gosh.
see you in Dubai. You see, we have
Yeah,
here
you can see how many hearts you're getting.
Nick,
Oh my God, it's
all
not
for you,
stopping.
all the hearts for you.
Thank you guys so much. See you. Bye.
See you. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Take care.